I'm the president of ICSI. I was in Hyderabad for a program. We had one program which we just launched on a skill development programs for the youngster. Now this is under the banner of Mr. Narendra Modi vision. Narendra Modi has launched 3 programs. One is Make in India, Digital India and Skill India. Now this is a part of that Skill India program. So we are sensitizing as an ICSI. We are also part of the government because ultimately it has been owned by the government of India. It is an act of parliament. So we felt it is also our duty that we should also take our Prime Minister vision forward. So today we have around 50 participants, and this is the first initiative been taken by the Hyderabad chapter from ICSI, and going further we'll be doing this kind of a program across country. Now ICSI, we have around 4 lakh students across country. We have 40,000 members, and friends, we have this Companies Act 2013 which got passed last year, now which has completed almost 1 year, and there are a lot of new provision has been introduced. One is a one-person company. So now we have a one person can start the private limited company now, which is possible, which was not possible in the old Act 1956. Now we have a provision for the video conferencing meeting. You also have a e-voting also provision in the new Companies Act. Now the other thing which as an ICSI we are sensitizing is that we have a sectoral audit which has been made compulsory for a certain categories of company. Now those categories are the 50 crores paid up capital for a public limited company, for all listed company, and the company with around 250 crores turnover company. They need to do a sectoral audit. Now what is the sectoral audit? Now sectoral audit is something like a non-financial audit. Now how you have a accounts and tax audit, something very similar. Now this is the account and tax audit is more of a financial audit. Now this is non-financial audit, where as a practicing company secretary, they will have to certify that the company has complied all the laws applicable to that company. Now this is something which is happening for the first time in India and probably the whole world also, because nowhere in the world you have a non-financial audit. So this will definitely improve the corporate governance standard. So probably this will take the governance to a next level, the corporate governance to a next level. Now this is one. The number 2 is last month only we have the sectoral standard been introduced by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs with the help of the ICSI. Now there are 2 standards, like how we have accounting standards, something very similar. We also have the sectoral standard. Now there are 2 sectoral standards which has been launched. One for the board meetings, and the other one is for the shareholders meeting. Now different company follows the different practice. So what as an ICSI we have prepared a standards for the board meeting, like the number of days of the notice, what should be the content of the agendas, how this agenda has to be given to the directors, so that they can take the proper decision. Now so we have the one standard for the board meeting, and we have a second standard for the shareholders meeting. Now these standards are now made compulsory. So if any companies are not following the standards, they will have to disclose, or the sectoral audit somewhere they will qualify in the report that the company has not complied those standards. Now the advantages of this standards are, this will definitely improve the board process. When I say board process, those interactions and those the directors getting those agenda paper in time, that also will help them taking a proper decision. So this will first definitely it will increase the board level process. Number 2, more transparency. Okay, so there will be more transparency because you have those agendas been sent in advance. At the same time, you will have a more confidence from the FIIs, the investors, because all those investors, they want the company to follow the good practice. So this is in line with that. And going further, as an ICSI, we have more plans to introduce some more standard. To begin with, we may come out with a CSR standard, registration of charge, winding up, and there are many more. So this is what as an ICSI, we are going to introduce some more standards. So this is what I thought I can just share those ideas with you. Okay, thank you.